let's be honest, your hair didn't just stop growing. You emotionally neglected it. You blow dry it like you're punishing it for something it didn't do. And you wonder why it's breaking up with you strand by strand. Today, we're talking about the 10 hair care mistakes you didn't even know you were making. So take a deep breath and let's unpack your toxic relationship with your hair. Mistake number 1, overwashing your hair. Some of you treat shampoo like they're daily, intense, and emotionally draining. But here's the thing, your scalp produces natural oils for a reason. Overwashing strips those oils, leaving your scalp dry, panicked, and overcompensating with grease. It's a trauma loop. In short, your scalp's not dirty, it's just crying for balance. Try washing every 2 to 3 days, not every time you have an existential crisis. Mistake number 2, using hot water on hair. If your shower steam could cook pasta, it's too hot for your hair. Hot water opens up hair cuticles like a toxic ex, promises softness but leaves damage. Cool or lukewarm water helps lock in moisture. Think of it as emotional regulation for your scalp. Mistake number 3, brushing wet hair. You know that moment when your brush meets your wet hair and suddenly you're reenacting a fight scene from an action movie? Yeah. Stop that. Wet hair is fragile. It stretches, breaks, and remembers. Use a wide tooth comb or detangle gently with conditioner. Your hair has feelings too. Treat it like your therapist told you to treat your relationships, gently and with boundaries. Mistake number 4, skipping heat protection. If you're still straightening your hair raw without heat protectant, you might as well be cooking it in emotional distress. Heat protectant sprays act like SPF for your strands. Without them, your hair literally screams in microscopic agony. So, protect your peace and your hair. Mistake number 5, ignoring scalp care. Everyone wants shiny ends, but nobody checks on the scalp, the brain of your hair. Neglecting scalp health is like planting flowers in concrete. Use gentle exfoliation or massage oils, because self-care doesn't stop at skincare. It starts on your head. Mistake number 6, poor diet and hydration. Let's talk nutrition. You can't expect Rapunzel hair when your diet screams college stress and instant noodles. Protein, iron, and water literally build your hair. So yes, hydration is self-love, not just an aesthetic caption. Mistake number 7, sleeping with wet hair. If you sleep with wet hair, congratulations, you're giving bacteria a 5-star hotel experience. Plus, tossing and turning weakens strands. Dry your hair before bed. Your pillow shouldn't be hosting a moisture rave. Mistake number 8, using too many products. If your bathroom shelf looks like a skincare influencer's flat lay, it's too much. Layering 10 products confuses your hair faster than modern dating. Stick to a simple routine. Shampoo, conditioner, one nourishing product. Minimalism is sexy for both your mind and your scalp. Mistake number 9, tight hairstyles. Pulling your hair into a tight ponytail every day. That's emotional control issues in physical form. It causes tension, breakage, and receding hairlines. Loosen up, literally. Let your hair breathe. Not everything needs to be held together so tightly. Mistake number 10, ignoring sun and pollution damage. You wear sunscreen for your skin, but your hair also faces UV trauma daily. Dust, sun, and city stress all contribute to dull, lifeless strands. Use UV protectant serums or scarves. Protect your hair like it's your energy, because both fade under too much exposure. So, which mistake are you guilty of? Be honest. This is a safe space for your hair. If you learned something today, hit subscribe and share this with your friend who still thinks dry shampoo counts as self-care. See you in the next session, beautiful humans.